So what is a screen time password or passcode on the iPhone? Let me explain that. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So inside of your settings, there is a section or menu called screen time, and you might be familiar with it because in here you get to manage your time spent on various different apps and what you've been doing and so on. But part of this menu, you can as well set up app limits, restrictions, and a downtime, right? So this is the place where you can control some things about your device. For example, part of the content restrictions, I can set up that apps are not allowed to be downloaded or that some different websites cannot be accessed and so on. And if I'm setting this up not for myself, but let's say for a child, then it would make sense to make sure that these settings cannot be changed. And that's why the passcode is also possible to be set up for screen time specifically. So below you can see I have the lock screen time settings. I can tap on it and set up a passcode, which is supposed to be a different one from the main one used to unlock the device. So I set up some different passcode. I can repeat it like that and make sure that I also type in a recovery email address. So I have another Apple account which I can reset it with in case I forget it, but I can as well skip it. And you can see that now the changes cannot be made in here unless the passcode is known, right? So that's how you can set that up, and that's why it exists to begin with. So I hope I was able to explain it fully to you. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Just share your opinions and thoughts right there. And thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.